Ciao creative friends, welcome to my work table. My name is Joey. I am so excited with what I am sharing, but there's a little thing I have to say because I'm not sure what my microphone will pick up, but it is a very stormy, dark afternoon and there is thunder and lightning and like cracks of lightning. So if you hear a noise in the background, that's what it is, but it's the perfect night for, unboxing and playing with beads. So what I have here is my second collaboration box with Didi Beads, and the founder and the curator of all the Didi's Deluxe Bead Box and that whole beautiful website is Stella, and her and I have become friends and we are really enjoying these collaborations. So this one is called Sienna Shores. Look at this deliciousness. It is such a beautiful, lovely collection of beads with some really nice long strands to work with. This is our second one. It is a first come first serve box, limited edition. We're still feeling our way on how many of these we want to do, how often we want to do them, and how quickly people will purchase them, and if it's something you guys are interested in us continuing to do. So you can always let me know about that in the comments. But I'm going to do an unboxing of these beautiful beads. This is such a sweet, perfectly curated little collection, and we named it Sienna Shores. And so the first thing that I'm going to dive right into, and Stella found these because she said, I know how much you love lamp work. And I really do. It's something that I've purchased a lot when I travel through Italy. So the first item in our box is the Sienna Shores Designer Lamp Work strand, and it is stunning. There are 3 of these gorgeous lamp work beads, and this is just something that I can just look into the glass. I don't know if you heard my Alexa box, but it's a notification about the storm. So I'm going to keep going and hope the internet holds out and the electricity. But this is so beautiful. There is like a minty green glass encasing a white opaque glass, and can you see the shimmery gold glass on the inside? I mean, this is a stunning, stunning bead. There are 3 of them, and I know for sure that I'm making a bracelet with mine. I absolutely love them. And then look at the unusually shaped crystals. They have a nice width and dimension on the side and faceting that is absolutely stunning, that goes from frosted to like a shimmery color. And then there's some really sweet little spacers and bead caps on this little mini strand. I am so excited about that. I mean, when you start with beads this beautiful, they really just steal the show, and they do a lot of the work in a design. You don't need to do a whole lot of crazy wrapping or multi-strands because it's just the beads just start you off so perfectly. So next up is these gorgeous faceted crystals, and there is a nice long strand, a 16-inch, a full 16 inches of these 6x4 millimeter burnt sienna faceted crystals, and they have the AB finish on them. So for newer people, that stands for Aurora Borealis, and it really does give you all the sparkle and all the characters of the northern lights. It's just a lovely, wonderful finish on beads. And like I said, oh wow, I don't know if my microphone is picking up the rain and the thunder. It's a little bit distracting, but like I said, I'm going to keep going and hope the electricity holds out. So I love that we have 16 inches of this, and as you'll see as I go through, but look how beautifully they work with the colors in the beads. And you're going to see that this is a little bit of a blend of gold and copper and taupe, and it's like all those warm metallics, and they just are so beautiful. And also this is really a trendy color combination because our Pantone color for 2024 was the peach fuzz. So this is like a little version, a little darker version of peach. It's really on trend and just really beautiful. And what I love about it is that it's a color that you can wear now and enjoy this summer with the minty greens and these coppery colors. But as we go into fall, they are absolutely perfect. So up next is a 7.5-inch strand of the 6x4 millimeter Seafoam Luster Rondelles. Aren't they gorgeous? I love a rondelle bead because you can, you know, string them, but you can also you can string them together, but you can also use these as really cool spacers in between other things, like, you know, in between the crystals. They are just beautiful. I mean, I love this strand. Also, I wish you guys could feel this. I'm supposed to put it down and go on to the next bead, but I'm not ready to put it down. It's so pretty and it just feels so good. I absolutely love those. And then the next strand that we have is a 14-inch strand, and these are copper glass pearls. They are so beautiful, and this is such a sweet size. They're 4 millimeter, and they are just really nice quality. I took a couple of them off of my strand because I'm kind of fussy about the quality of my glass pearls, and these are just amazing. They feel so great. They're cool. They have a nice weight to them, and this copper color is really, really stunning. I'm just going to take a little piece of wire and just kind of show you the quality of these little pearls. Look how nicely the ends are. That's how I can always tell the quality of a pearl, is by how the finish is done on the ends of the pearl. So I am so excited to work with those. They will be in my design for sure. And then look at this, you guys. This is amazing. This is a 4-inch strand, and this is an 8 millimeter pearl rondelle, and the color is called New Taupe. Isn't that the most beautiful pearl? The luster on this pearl is incredible, and the shape, the weight, and the feel, and there is something about, I mean, I love a rondelle bead anyway, but a pearl rondelle is absolutely delicious. I love it so much. And then our little specialty things that we have, there is a 4-piece set in this box of a 12 millimeter teal Picasso bead with a starburst wash, and it is so beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. So you can see the Picasso wash along this bead, and the copper is a nice rich, really rich copper, and look how gorgeous. You can really see all the dimension in this bead, and there are 4 of them. So I'm thinking that this might actually be earrings, at least 2 of them for earrings. And then Stella has put these in another box that she did, and I had never seen these until I got them in her box, and they are just absolutely amazing. There you are getting in this box 8 pieces of this 7 millimeter cream check flower bud. You guys, it's a check glass flower bud. How gorgeous is that? It's so amazing. The detail, it really does look like the bud on either the center of a flower or that you see on the stems when a plant is blooming. It's so gorgeous. I just love it. And so I mean, I've done a whole bracelet with the other ones. I think they were pink, and these are just so gorgeous with a ball head pin on the inside. And in fact, let me see, do I have one here? I think I have a ball head pin. Let me just show you. They are so gorgeous. Whoops. There's so much dimension. Look at that. Wow, what a storm. I don't know, again, if the microphone, when I start to edit, I'll listen and see what the microphone is picking up, but it's a pretty bad storm. I hope everyone is safe at this time of year. It's hurricane season, you know, for Florida and for the East Coast, so we really watch these storms. Anyway, back to me, concentrate on my beads. This little flower bud is so beautiful. I love it with a ball head pin in the middle, even a seed bead and then the ball head pin, and then adding this in the middle of a center hole, center drill hole. Let me try that again. A bead with a center hole, you know, drill. But even just like this and a simple loop and clusters of these little bud beads are absolutely gorgeous. I love them so much. I just think they are amazing. And then up next, we are giving you 2 pieces of this antique brass with a rhinestone in the middle, filigree 2-hole slider bead. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? If you've been around my channel at all, you know that I absolutely love playing with 2-hole beads and multi-hole beads, and I love these slider beads. The design possibilities for this are absolutely amazing. I've already done 2 necklace sketches with this, and so with these sliders, you know, you can turn them this way. So let me show you the holes. You can turn them this way and, like, you know, string like that, but you can also work with them in this direction as well and run your wire through and then up. So these are so much fun to play with. I think that I'm going to use one in a necklace and maybe work one into my bracelet, but they are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I just love them. I think these are so pretty. And then we have 25 pieces of this beautiful spacer bead. It's antique gold and they are ribbed. Let me get another piece of wire. They are ribbed, but they actually look, I mean, the ribbing is on, let me get you a close-up view. The ribbing is on the edges of this bead, but they do kind of look like a flower when you look at it this way. So, you know, again, like, you could actually work with them this way and make a dangle out of them. They're just so pretty. So there's plenty of spacer beads here. And then we like to put in a little label for your organizing bins. I am a big organizer. I actually have a really cool video coming. I have had my jewelry wardrobe closet reworked, and it's going to be a really fun video. I have jewelry trays. It's really cool. Roll-out trays. I'm going to take you guys in the closet in that video, but you'll see that I really enjoy, like, organizing and labeling, especially my beads, because as jewelry artists, we have so many small little things, and it's so easy to get overtaken by all the little bits. And so I was telling Stella, you know, let's, like, help everybody get organized and put some labels in. So you get a little label again in this box. So I am going to pause here and clean up my mat, and I am going to come back with a project. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, it would be lovely to do that, but also tap the bell notification, because when I do an unboxing, I always come back with a project or 2 or even more. And also, I'm going to put in the description box beneath this video links to Didi Beads. As I said, if you are interested in this box, do not wait. It will sell out. We sold out of our other one basically before my video was even over. They are limited quantities right now, and we may start to, we've actually discussed making our production a lot more, but we have to see how it goes and see what your reaction and your response is to what we're creating. So all of that will be in the description box, and please give my video a thumbs up. It just really helps the algorithm of YouTube to know that I'm doing a good job and I have an audience, so that would be really nice. And so I will clean up my mat and get to working on my first project with this beautiful box. And thank you to Stella. You're very talented and collaborative and lovely to work with. And if you are unable to get this box, or you're just not interested in another box, definitely check out her website. It is animated, colorful, well organized, and absolutely a joy to shop. And it's all the things that we love to support: a woman-owned business, family-run business, a small business, and she does an amazing job. Her beads are unique and high quality, and I just love her website. So I do have a discount code for the website. It works on about 80% of the things, and I will put that in the description box as well. When she does like check bundles and her deluxe bead box and those things, they're already really discounted to rock bottom, so it won't work on those things, but you will love her website, and she is adding some really cool new things to it as well. She's already told me what's coming. So I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tap the bell notification after you subscribe so you won't miss my notification when I come back with the projects with these gorgeous beads. Thanks a lot, everybody. Ciao. See you in the next video.